your office coffee machine breaks down, it's a coffee emergency. When it's not fixed the same day, panic will come. What sets Planet Coffee apart? In-house equipment servicing. Planet Coffee maintains and services all our coffee machines in-house. Our in-house maintenance program means you'll never have to worry about your office coffee equipment breaking down and leaving you stranded for days. There are no coffee emergencies with Planet Coffee because we service what we sell. That's the Planet Coffee difference. Yes, the Planet Coffee difference. You can enjoy your cup of coffee anytime.